Hey guys, welcome to my latest video. On today's explore, it will be over the Mill Green Nature Reserve at the back of the Mill Farm pub in Cannock. I've had loads of requests to do my YouTube video on my Facebook page, to go and do a video over there. So everybody, I've done it today. Talking about Facebook, I've got a Facebook page, and I'm happy about this, finally figured out how to edit the videos and update and do all this and that. So below should be my links to my Facebook page, my Instagram, also my Twitter, so feel free to follow me in there. But yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, so here we go.
That gorgeous one over there. Loads of them today. Right guys, I'm off my explore. But look at these two in front plodding on. Hello, hello, hello. Right, today guys, I'm gonna go where I went before, to do a bit of filming on a little river stream. Let's go. We're nearly there guys. It's by that, it's like a little bridge. It's got like a little river stream flowing underneath it. If you turn left, and go a little bit towards it, there's like a way to get towards where I filmed that water stream. I mean, it's really, really pretty. But yeah, we are nearly there. I do apologise if the wind's quite strong today. Hopefully we'll get some back soon. I think that's where they keep some of the wildlife here. Welcome to Mill Green Bird Hide. I presume it's either bird watching or it's a shed that's got birds in. I mean, if anyone knows about it, comment below, or if you're new to my Facebook page and you're watching this, let me know. Bit of a stream here, but that's not the one we come to see. Here we are guys, we are here. It's part of that stream here. I think we are stepping over the bridge. Hold on, I don't want to step too low, I might fall over else. Oh, it's just a brick wall, I think. Oh, what's that there? A bit of brick, yeah. Interesting. But this is the way I went to get a good view. if I can step over a bit. Don't know if you can see the stream there. There's some trees blocking me at the way. Second. Oh. And there's that bridge. Trust me to take the bumpy way over. Here we are. But according to some people, before it was called Mill Green, it used to be called Ridingsbrook. And talking to someone on my Facebook page, they used to do a lot of horse riding over here. If anyone from the Cannock area knows a lot more about the Mill Green Nature Reserve area at the back of Mill Farm, the Mill Farm pub, let me know. Now this is the stream I filmed. Oh, and to mention as well, on this little walk round, you got the new outlet shopping centre that's just been built. And what I'll do is, after I've walked round here, I'll show you the back of the shops. I'll tell you what, it looks nice, and when it's open, it's got to be booming. I'm talking of booming, look at that. Yeah, my camera skills aren't that bad. Hopefully you got a good view. Go a bit forward. I don't want to talk too much because I want you to enjoy the lovely sound of the river flowing. I find it relaxing. Oh dear, well that wasn't there last time I went. A broken chair in there, you can see it. There we go. God knows why people are going to destroy nature ruins, do you know what I mean? Destroy the nature reserve. I'm going to walk as far as I can to the stream area. I mean, when you do a venture over here, I mean, just to let you know, be careful when you walk over here. There's a lot the spiky stuff on the floor that I keep tripping over, and your nettles and all that. So make sure when you walk over here you wear long trousers, jeans, tracky bottoms, just to be safe. Beneath Gollum's tree. So peaceful and relaxing. I'm going to stick my arm, I don't want to, because where I'm treading, side there, I don't want to put my foot in the water, and even though it's not deep, but can't be too careful. You can see the other end of the stream up there. Love it, absolutely beautiful. Have a walk back. See about them nettle things, and just be careful. Leave here for a couple of seconds to enjoy the last part of this area. Right guys, I'm just going to stop here, climb over all these branches and whatnot, and where that bridge is there, I'll meet you on there. Right, we're here guys, on that bridge now. So one more look before we go on another walk. See if I can zoom in there. Stream down there. Lovely. Right, let's trek on. A lovely little walk to go on. I mean, if you've got dogs or you've got children, lovely to take them for a walk over here. Oh, what's that? Fallen timber in this area has been left for wildlife. Oh, lovely. I could go that way, but that one takes you back on myself, but I want to go the long way round. But yeah, it's a lovely walking over here. Ah, I think this is the other end of that stream. So be careful, walk down here. That's it. I was standing on that side over there. I wonder if there's a way to see what's on the end of down on the right side. Let's have a quick look. Right, you'll be able to see it in a minute. It's like a little walkway hut thing. There we go. I wonder if on the other side has it got any writing or anything, just to say it's the nature reserve. It's got anything? Oh, there you go. Oh, bang on, nature reserve. Welcome to Mill Green and Hawks Green Valley Local Nature Reserve. There you go, everyone. If you wanted to know where I was. Oh, here we go, answers my question. Here is the end part to that river stream. The bridge there. And obviously the water stream. Lovely. I think just these steps as well lead you onto the main road. Yeah. Right, now for the walk to show you where the outlet shops are being built, or already have been built. I'm not sure exactly when they're open, but I know it's not long till they're open. Right, on we go. Right guys, we are coming up now to where the outlet shops are, well, the back of them. But you got this nice little walk to walk on behind it. Are they little lilies, or beautiful to look at when you're walking by? Oh, I should tell you, here, look. Now this area is managed for butterflies, bees and other pollinating insects. Love to come across a butterfly in the video. Right, I don't know if you can, but I can just about. But behind these trees here are, well, is the outlet shopping centre. You get more of a picture when we walk further up. Nice little dog. Right, we are nearly there. Should have a better clear view up here now. So up here I don't know if you can just about see it, but I think what looks like a playground. Oh, let's walk up here. Here we are, a better view. Yeah, it looks like a playground, so when it's open, the kids will have an area to play on. There's the back of one building. I'm sure you can see a bit more when I walk further down. Here we are. I think this is where that clock is. Yeah, there's that clock. I don't know about you, but people from Cannock, I'm excited for it to open. See if I can walk up here a second. Here we go, look at that. I'll tell you what it reminds me of. Do you know like Alton Towers, some of the rides? You got like the snack bars and whatnot, and the shops. I don't know why, but it reminds me of that. But yep, there you go. That's a bit of the outlet shopping centre. Now, I'm not sure if you can see the rest when I walk on. Let's have a quick little look around here. No, I think that's all we can see. If you want a better look at what it looks like, if you go up by the Cannock Orbital and go up that way, you see the front part of it. Be able to see what it looks like. Here we are. But I'm not the first one to do this, so I'll try and get pictures and a video shot of it. Looks like someone's been trying to break in here. I'm not going to do it. I don't want to get told off. There we go, look. And that's it. Nice bit of scenery there. But yes, on my Facebook page, somebody commented asking if these are stone or wood. Let's have a look. Hold on a second, put my hand through. The stone. I thought there was wood. I mean, those two in the little river there, they look like wood, but these two here, they are stone. If you come over and feel them. That's a nice little stream going by. Just realised there's a part here as well where you can see the rest of the outlet. Might get a better view of the side. Now once I've done here, I'll walk back and I'll show you the big pond. Loads of ducks there today. Here we go. There is the side part. obviously there's no access to it yet until it opens. Lovely. Right now, just across me is the big Mill Green Pond, or if it's known to some people, Ridings Brook. It's going to let you enjoy the rest of the year walk now, so I'm going to be quiet. It is quite a big pond, to be fair, I didn't realise. People feeding the ducks as well. I wish I brought some bread now. Oh, it's next time. But if anyone watching my video, if you're from the Cannock area and you plan to visit the Mill Green Nature Reserve, bring some bread. There's plenty of ducks to feed. But yeah, guys, that's my my explore and walk for today over at the Mill Green Nature Reserve, also known as the Ridings Brook. I think somebody told me it's Bridley's brook as well. But thanks guys, thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. Cheers guys, take care and have a good day.